Respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed dignitaries on the dais, and officers from TG NAV, and dear students. Okay, so I will tell you a small incident, not to promoting myself, but I will tell you a small incident. Okay, in 2013 there was a bomb blast. Okay, in Dilsukh Nagar. In that bomb blast, now from the High Court, death penalty has come. So the 5 accused, they were given death penalty. So this bomb blast occurred in 2013, and Hyderabad City Police, I was in charge at Additional City Crimes. So I was, or my team was instrumental in investigating this case. And for 1 month, we have covered almost 4 kilometers radius of that blast site and visited every household. And we were asking each householder whether there were some 4 or 5 people who have taken a house on rent, and after the bomb blast, they have vacated the house. Only this question. For 1 month, 100 people were going around thousands of houses only asking this question. And this much hard work for 1 month, from 8 a.m. we used to start, 8 p.m. we used to finish. Every day we used to eat in small roadside tea stalls, in small roadside dhaba. So much hard work is finally, this hard work has yielded result after how many years? 12 years. So likewise, I tell children now that you put in your hard work, God notes down everything. Whatever hard work and selfless service you do to the society, God notes it down. And sometimes it takes 12 years, more than a decade, for God to crown your effort. Only thing is, one should not lose heart, and one should put in good hard work with lot of good intentions and not looking for any reward. You only say that, okay sir, we have put we have put by your grace effort into that job which was given to you, given to us by you. 10 साल 12 साल एक एक चीज न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल क्या हुआ केस में, एंड यू सी अब जाके रिजल्ट आता है. But then now you, after 10-12 years, you really don't get so much moved by that result, but only you feel happy about the efforts you put in. So this has only happened yesterday, so that is why I am telling to you. But my only request is, today you have seen children drawing paintings, or children in the elocution contest, they have fought with their thoughts. So itna hi ek request hai aapse कि your posters, your speaking, or whatever you had to say, वो आप जो दूसरा आदमी देखेगा, maybe he should not do it, वो बात छोड़ दो. But you give a promise to yourself कि कोई भी condition हो life में, whatever condition is there in life, you at least will not go down to drugs. तुम एक slave नहीं बन जाओ. अभी हमें ना ऐसा खड़े हैं, तुम हमारे को कुछ भी दो, चाय भी नहीं दो, पानी भी नहीं दो, खाना भी नहीं दो, 6 घंटे तक मैं आराम से खड़े होकर बात करूंगा. बट इफ आई एम अ स्लेव ऑफ स्मोकिंग, इफ आई एम अ स्लेव ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग, वो थोड़ा देर होगा ना तो छोड़ेंगे, यार हमको छोड़ के जाओ, आई विल गो एंड स्मोक एंड कम, आई विल गो एंड ड्रिंक एंड कम. So drugs are not an escape, they are a trap. That's number one. And you have written so beautiful slogans on your posters. Really very thought-provoking. And the principal sir was there in that wherever that hall where this drawing competition was going on. So if you make something really good, we will be prepared to buy it from you. Okay, it's a business proposition. And this job of creating posters or creating content or maybe making a bot, or how one reacts with a AI bot, all these things are very creative works. Okay, and why we should take it from you free? If you have got a good idea, good story, good any skit or good video if you are making, and we really like that video, you quote your price, we will negotiate with you, and finally whatever price we settle for, we will pay you by that price by check, and that check we will give you. It will come from Telangana government. It will not come from me. कि मैं दे रहा हूँ नहीं, Telangana Prabhutvam. And you will get that certificate that this person, this girl student or this male student, he made a very beautiful poster, and this was bought by Telangana Anti-Narcotic Bureau for this price, and it is posted on our website. And हमारा website वो बहुत बड़ा है. That computer on which we host our website, I think it will be there for 10 years, 20 years also. So when you go big also, you can see, अरे ये मैंने पोस्टर बनाया था जब वासवी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में कंपटीशन हुआ था. So you can also feel happy. We can also feel happy that this girl child or this boy child, he made a beautiful poster that we did something, some kind of a pocket money we were able to give, और अच्छा करा आपने. You know, this good thing should get आगे आगे बढ़ना. And only one promise कि हम इतना दूर आया ना, एक promise you make it to yourself that you will stay clean. You know, life ahead is going to be very, very difficult to find a job. I don't know how the AI disruption is going to be there. You see the happenings in America, then you see the tariff wars, these kind of things. And maybe I think now what my thinking is that people, if they can do a course on Chinese language or Korean, South Korean language, that also might stand in good stead. अब आदमी ये है, you see a ant, एक चींटी को देखेगा ना, they will pick up a grain of sugar and try to climb the wall. It will fall down. Again it will pick up, again it will start walking. It will fall down. Again it will pick up, again it will start walking. अगर एक चींटी ऐसा कर सकता है, why can't a man do like this? Why can't a man do like this? You know success क्या है? आप बोलता है सक्सेस अच्छा नौकरी मिल जाए, अच्छा नहीं. The journey is the success. The journey is the success. अब आपने पोस्टर बनाया, वो पोस्टर बनाने में when you are getting heart and soul, focus, everything is on that. That something I am able to make, something is there in your heart, it comes to your brain, that it comes to your hand, or it comes to your speaking this thing, skill. This is success. वो अच्छा लगा नहीं लगा, उसको देख के किसी ने अच्छा किया नहीं किया, that's a separate matter. Ultimately, it is you. You are answerable to yourself. I made a good effort. I made an effort which was free from the quest for any success. कि हमको ये सक्सेस मिले, मैं फर्स्ट आऊं, मेरे को अच्छा नौकरी, उससे नहीं. मैं अच्छा पढ़ा, अच्छा खेला, अच्छा किया, I've been a good friend. That is what counts in life. That's what counts in life. अब हमारे को क्या है, वो तेरा वो मर्डर केस में उसको सजाए मौत मिला, and it has been upheld by the high court. So what do I get? Nothing. I only say, "Arey God, you gave me this chance to really work hard for this project, and it has succeeded." So that's all. खत्म क्या है? I drink a cup of tea or this thing. I will just tell my wife and children कि भैया ये भी थोड़ा बहुत contribution था हमारा. That's all. मस्त रहना. There's nothing in life. You must be able to enjoy small things in life. यही बात. Ultimately, it comes to that. I have done 32 years of service in the police department. 32 years of service. क्या है एक कि छोटा चीज में खुश रहना. सुबह चाय पी रहे हैं, अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं, मजा आ रहे हैं. इडली खा रहे हैं, फिल्टर कॉफी पी ली, मजा आ गया. खाना मिल गया, खा लिया, नहीं खा लिया, अपना पुलिसिंग किया, एंड ऑलवेज वियरिंग अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. कुछ भी होए, हमारा पत्थर भी पड़ रहा है ना, हमारे ऊपर ब्लड भी आ रहा है. I lost my 2 teeth here in stone pelting in the old city. I can't bite an apple, but I am happy. चलो ठीक है यार, वी ट्राई टू प्रिवेंट लॉस टू दी प्रॉपर्टी, चलो जो भी यहाँ किया बस ठीक है, ओके, गॉड अंडरस्टैंड इट दिस वे फाइन। मस्त रहना, जो भी मिले, न मिले नहीं मिले खुश। यू गेट गुड फूड खुश, यू गेट गुड नौकरी खुश, डोंट गेट अ गुड नौकरी खुश। एंड ऑलवेज वियर अ स्माइल, स्प्रेड अ स्माइल। अब खुद ही तुम रो रहा है तो दूसरे आदमी को, अपने माँ बाप को, अपने भाई बहन को, अपने सब को तुम नाराज करेगा ना। तुमको क्या आ रहा है, खुश रहना भाई, चाय मिल गई ना, थोड़ा सा सांभर और चावल मिल गए ना, रोटी मिल गई ना, बस और क्या चाहिए भाई। बी हैप्पी द वे गॉड कीप्स यू। एंड यू नो इन पंजाबी दिस थिंग इज व्हाट कीप्स यू हैप्पी। देयर इज 2 words in Punjabi. It is known as hukm razai. Hukm razai means his hukm, God's hukm and razai. You are saying yes God, yes God. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हारे को फेल कर देगा सेमेस्टर में, अगेन इट इज yes God. Everything you are thankful to God and happy with his decision. This is what life is. And I tell you man, if you are happy with the decision God takes for you, तुमको कभी जिंदगी में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, नेवर। सबको खुश रखो अपने, कीप एवरीबडी हैप्पी अराउंड यू। डोंट pressurize somebody with your problems. Be happy in whatever way God keeps you, your mother, father. कितना हो जा रहा है आजकल, सिंगल पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके बच्चे ड्रग्स ले रहे हैं। सिंगल पेरेंट्स, their children take drugs, not able to take that stress. So I thank Vasavi Engineering College, the top management of this college, who have been here for this program, and this is the second time I am coming and speaking to all these students. And really man, अगर देखें ना, आप सब है ना, I don't treat any one of you different from my children. जैसा भगवान है ना, he treats me, him, everybody as his child. And slowly if you grow in age, there is no comparison, there is no competition, everybody seems like my old child. मेरा अपना बच्चा है, जैसे मैं अपने बच्चे का सक्सेस में खुश होऊंगा, वैसे आप सबकी सक्सेस में खुश होऊंगा। There's no difference. क्या डिफरेंस है? कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। We all come from that source. और हमेशा रिमेंबर दैट चींटी, दैट एंट, सी उसका कितना कर्मबद्ध है, कितना उसमें कर्म योग है। Falls down, gets up, falls down, gets up, falls down, gets up. 10 times also will fall down and get up. And it not curse God कि अरे क्या गिराया जा रहा है यार, मैं ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच गया था फिर गिरा दिया आपने। नो, ऐसा रहना आदमी, ऐसा रहना आदमी। So be like this. Make a promise that you will always keep smiling, you will always wear smiles. हमारा कितना पतरमबाजी हो रहा है, कितना पुलिस को वो हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो, फर्स्ट थिंग वी वियर इन द मॉर्निंग इज, अपना यूनिफॉर्म डालने से पहले, नाउ आई हैव रिटायर्ड, वी यूज्ड टू वियर अ स्माइल। चलो भाई आज खुशी खुशी दिन निकालेंगे, ऐसा। आप भी सब ऐसा रहें। बी गुड टुवर्ड्स योर फ्रेंड्स, गुड टुवर्ड्स योर पेरेंट्स, गुड टुवर्ड्स योर relatives, good towards your teachers, good towards your lecturers, सबके लिए अच्छा रहे। Okay, so I thank the college management, I thank the people who have come from NSS volunteers who had come to invite me, and the teachers who are involved with this NSS volunteers. एक एक आदमी एंटी ड्रग सोल्जर बने। अल्टीमेटली वो सोल्जर है ना जो बॉर्डर पे लड़ता है, उसका कोई वो नहीं है। पाकिस्तान नाउ इज नॉट फाइटिंग इट बैटल ऑन दी बॉर्डर, it is fighting battle by sending drugs into India, into Hyderabad, into Punjab. वो सोल्जर का कोई काम नहीं है। अब किसका? आप सब एंटी ड्रग सोल्जर बनेगा तो आपका काम होगा। अब हम भी वो चोरों को पकड़ो, ड्रग को पकड़ो, उसमें इतना इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है। वी आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकिंग यू अवेयर taking a promise from you that you will not take drugs. ऐसे एक एक कॉलेज में we have done almost 600 programs in schools and colleges. Only keep on telling कि भैया अब मत